Hey friends, if you wish to customize and add items to send to menu in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let's say we have an item here and we need to, when we right click on it, select show more options and then we wish to send to. We have a lot of options like Bluetooth device, compressed folder, desktop. There are a lot of locations. Okay, I can also send it to the USB drive, but if I wish to add a location, let's say I wish to add the D drive or some folder to it. Let's say I need to add this folder to it, the dump folder. Okay, so here's what I have to do. I have mentioned a path in the description section of the video. There's one change. This path is the entry in this path, the one which I wrote as game in, is the username of your computer. So please change it with the username of your computer. Then copy this path, press the Windows key and the R button together, paste it here, hit enter. Okay, I'll clear the field. I'll paste it here and then we'll click on OK. Okay, C drive was not copied. Okay, and this is the send to folder. All you need to do is copy that other folder, this one, to the send to folder list. Okay, and now you'll have to restart your computer. After that, when you right click, select show more options and then click on send to, you'll notice that you find the dump folder here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.